En chosi penche mo che ge tendi chene ya lo ni shu ta pye sibu kho tha ba re a kho ku thon ne ya lo sum chu thoshi kho de we gi ane chen den da chene ya ta darin gi tu chi ti chosi penche mo che da kong ge ku go yo zo e ge tendi chene ka so che me gyu we ni ma de la ya tu ne e na la yo we gi chapsi zo ma yo zo da al phang pa tu 왜 때문에 첩시 미리 그 돈도야 그래서 농촌다 제가 너 땅에 개체包뭐 아니 장내 대화지 다 장자 제가나 야다 주주 개 주고 그래 이게 또그 제발 루소 아니 메시지 나네 왜 때문에 첩시 미리 돈도야 안 도스르다 나와 이게 찾아보래야 안 동생 냠게 지혜기 최도야 다 다른데
Panchen lama.
Release, release.
Panchen lama.
Release, release.
Panchen lama.
Zindabad, zindabad. Riha karo, riha karo. Riha karo, riha karo.
Panchen lama riha karo.
रिहा करो, रिहा करो। यही हमारा देश है, यही हमारा नारा है,
हमारा है,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
अत्याचार बंद करो,
लोली, लोली,
लाला तिब्बत में आजाद
पूरी करो, पूरी करो,
हमारा बागी पूरी करो,
पूरी करो, पूरी करो,
हमारा बागी पूरी करो,
पूरी करो, पूरी करो,
हमारा बागी पूरी करो,
साथ दो, साथ दो,
साथ दो, साथ दो,
साथ दो, साथ दो, रिलीज, 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 stop killing in Tibet, stop killing in Tibet, stop killing in Tibet, stop killing in stop torturing in Tibet, stop torturing in Tibet, stop torturing in Tibet, stop torturing in Tibet. For the loyal Chinese leader, for the loyal Chinese leader, for the loyal Chinese leader. Zindabad, Zindabad. Please, please. Please, please. Please, please. रिहा करो, रिहा करो, रिहा करो, रिहा करो,
Chinese leader. Chinese leader. Chinese leader. Dalai Lama Zindabad. Hey Galo. Hey Galo. Good afternoon, sir. On behalf of the two organizations, the Middleweight Tibetan Youth Congress and the Regional Tibetan Women's Association from Bailakupi, Mysore and Kwalagal Tibetan settlement, today we have gathered here to protest the Chinese authorities to release the panchen lama, 11th panchen lama, widely known as Lama, who has been abducted in the year 1995, May 17, when he was just 6 years old. And it passed 28 years and whereabout him is not known, whether he is alive or dead. So on this occasion, we the two organizations is going to forward a memorandum in address of Prime Minister of India. So in the memorandum, we have appealed His Excellency Prime Minister to pressurize Chinese government to release 11th Tibet Panchen Lama immediately, and secondly, release his tutor Chadul Rinpoche and all other political prisoners, and thirdly, to send freelance and journalists to observe human rights in Tibet. And lastly, I take this opportunity to express our deepest gratitude to the people and the government of India, and especially to the people of Karnataka for their unflinching assistance in any aspect since our exile in India. So thank you so much, and we are forwarding this memorandum through your good office, and I hope you will send this.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everybody. Today we'll demand your memorandums. I will through the proper channel to submit it to Prime Minister. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.